Well, you know what they say here, right? Don't worry, be happy. What's going on, my beard guzzling brethren? It is I, the Jester, coming at you live with a how-to. Usually on this channel I'm going to be doing a lot of beer reviews, but today at this very special occasion, St. Patrick's Day. So I thought it would be awesome to do a how-to video on how to make green beer. But before I start, where's the festivities around here? We're going to have some decoration. Oh, there you go. Hey, now that's more like it. So today we're going to discuss how to make green beer in detail. It's really not that hard. So how do you make it and where does it come from? Do you have to go all the way to Ireland to get it? Or hold on, let me see, you have to go down all the way to the end of the rainbow to get this beautiful green beer? Or does it originate from leprechaun urine? Hope not. You literally only need 3 things to make green beer. So if you're having like a huge party or anything like that, or just all around just curious on how to make green beer, you need 3 things. Beer, a beer glass, and food coloring. And keep in mind the best type of beers to use are the lighter beers. So you can actually see the coloration of the green effects from the food coloring. You don't want to use a dark porter or like a Guinness, a very dark beer, because you're not going to be able to see green. As you can see, I have my beer, and as you can see, it's nice, light, and damn near transparent. So you're going to get the full effects once you put the food coloring in there. You're going to see that nice green leprechaun effect. And it's not leprechaun urine. Thank God. So I got my beer in hand, and as you can see, it is a nice light coloration type beer, very light, so you'll see the full effect of the food coloring as soon as you put it in. I'm gonna zoom in on here really quick, focus on me and not my big ass head. And I'm gonna put a few drops. A little goes a long way, my beard guzzling brethren. You don't wanna put too much because it's gonna compensate the taste of the beer. So literally you're probably gonna wanna put maybe 2 to 3 drops. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put 3 drops, and as you can see, it is mixing as we speak. You can see in the bottom, it's actually lifting up all the way to the top. You're going to want to mix it manually. You just don't want to just leave it like that. So I'm gonna just take a little spoon right here and mix it all about, and bam. It literally changes color right before your eyes. No leprechaun urine here. But look at that beauty. Look at that beauty right there. It actually pretty dark. I would really recommend probably doing maybe 1 or 2 drops. I think 3 is a little more. I know a couple of people actually put 4. I would be more happy with 2, but this color, it is great. I'm actually going to taste it right now and see if I taste anything out of the ordinary. To leprechaun urine. Tastes like a beer. You actually don't taste the food coloring at all, but this is literally how you make green beer. It's extremely simple. So if you're ever curious how do you make green beer and you have a party and you want to do something awesome like this, do it. You can literally probably do it not only with beer. I'm assuming you could probably do it with liquor as well. I'm not a big liquor guy. I'm more of a beer guy. I used to drink liquor when I was younger, but I'm old and my liver's just not the same. So my beard guzzling brethrens, it is I, the Jester. Thank you for rocking with me. This is actually my new content. I have so much more I'm gonna be putting on this channel, with beer reviews from all over the country of the United States and even beyond that. It's gonna be fun. I have a lot of content coming soon. So please subscribe, and I thank you to my bearded brothers out there. You know who you are that stayed, subscribed, and followed me on Instagram, and followed me everywhere else. So cheers, top of the morning to you, and happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm out of here. Now let's do that with that beer, bro. Let's do it with the leprechaun urine.